Welcome to Tuesday's Math. Yesterday you guys did an amazing job with the arrays and breaking them down into easier chunks or to different littler multiplication problems. So we've been doing multiplication for a while. I'm going to now switch it up and we're going to do division. So far, really the only way we've talked about doing a division problem is the loops and groups. If I have 18 total Pokemon cards and I want to give them to 3 people, I can draw my 3 circles like we talked about, and then we can count out 18, and then we can find our answer. Not the most efficient, but it gets it done. And if this is how you do it, that's perfect, that's awesome. You can do division. Today, I want to talk about 2 different ways to up that efficiency or make it more efficient so you can do the same amount of work, you can get the answer quicker. So the first way I want to talk about it is number line. So if you remember when we were starting with number line and we were doing multiplication, we were starting over here at 0 and we were going up. It's going to be a little bit different now when we're doing division. We're actually going to start with our bigger number here, the first number, and we're going to start at the 18 down here, and we're going to go backwards by 3s. So if we start at 18, and this, we'll count the total humps to get our answer. So if we start at 18 and we go backwards by 3 minus 3, we get 15. That's 1 time. Minus 3 is 12, 2 times, minus 3 is 9, minus 3, 3, 4, minus 3 is 6, minus 3 is 3 for our 5th time, and minus 3 gives us 0 for 6. So it took 6 jumps for us to get to 0. And that would give us our answer, 6. 3 can go into 18 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is a little bit easier than drawing out all those circles and putting in all those dashes. Plus, this is more accurate. Because a lot of times I've had students do the circle things and they'll miscount the number of dashes in the circle. Because it can get a lot of dashes in there. But this is a pretty efficient way to do it. Another way I want to show you is by a ratio table. You already done it, but now we're just going to do the ratio table for how many times to see it till we get up to 18. So let me again show you what I'm talking about. So division, we were saying one group of whatever we would say would go into it that many times. This time we're going to say, all right, I have 3s. One group of 3 is 3. I need to figure out how many 3s can get an 18. 2 groups of 3 is 6. 3 groups is 9. 4 groups is 12. 5 groups is 15. And 6 groups is 18. So it took 6 groups of 3 to get up to 18. Again, this is more efficient than the number line because you could have gone 1, 2, skipped to 4, and then added another 2, or you could have gone up to 3 and then doubled it up to 6. Let me show you what that looks like just in case you are confused. So I'm going to start over here. One group of 3 is 3. 2 groups of 3 is 6. 3 groups of 3 is 9. Now I'm going to double it because I know 9 is almost half of 18. 6 groups of 3 is 18. So you can use it the same way that you use for multiplication, but now you're trying to get this number to match that number up there without going over. If it goes over, let's say we did 7 groups at 21. Oops, that's too big. We know it's not 21. But 6 groups goes in there. So again, we're going to have division practice problems for you to try a lot today. I want to see if you can use either one of these methods, the number line or the ratio table. Be sure to show your work on them for me. And hopefully it goes well, and I will see you guys in the live session, or Miss Keller, you'll see Miss Keller, and I will see you tomorrow in the math recorded video. Bye.